Hello students, this is my third lecture on matter and magnetics. In this lecture, we are going to establish a relation for torque on a bar magnet or torque on a dipole in a uniform magnetic field. In previous chapter, we have established a relation for torque on a circular current loop or a rectangular current loop. A bar magnet can also be considered as a magnetic dipole of dipole moment m. Now, whenever such type of dipole is placed in any uniform magnetic field, then torque on the dipole at any instant can be given as tau equals to m cross b, and its magnitude will be tau equals to mv sin theta. Direction of tau, or we can say torque, can be given by right hand screw rule, which will be perpendicular to the plane of m and plane of b. Now, if this dipole is placed in any external magnetic field in any orientation, then external magnetic field will try to make the dipole axis parallel to its direction of magnetic field. In this rotation, some work has to be done, and that work will be stored in the form of potential energy of the dipole. Now, we take a specific orientation, we fix the initial position of dipole in such a way that magnetic moment of dipole makes an angle 90 degree with the direction of magnetic field. At this state, potential energy of the system will be 0. Now, from this 0 state, dipole is rotated to a new state, say theta. Dipole is rotated to an angle theta. Now, we know that for a small angle d theta, the work will be dw equals to mb sin theta d theta. And for this specific rotation, the total work will be stored as potential energy of the system, and it will be given by integral lower limit 90 degree to upper limit theta degree mv sin theta d theta. After mathematical calculation, this relation will reduce to minus mb cos theta. This is the expression for potential energy stored in the dipole in any external magnetic field. In vector form, this can be expressed as minus m dot b. Now, by changing the values, we can evaluate the potential energies. For example, we take a situation when m and b are parallel to each other. Theta is 0. In that state, potential energy will be minimum minus mb. This is the state when m and b are parallel. Now, when dipole is rotated by an angle 180 degree, if we replace this value of 180 degree in this relation, we will get potential energy equals to plus mb. This is maximum potential energy, and this is unstable state, and this one is stable state. These conditions can be used to solve some problems. Let's have some problems to understand the concept. Go through this question 1. In this question, a short bar magnet is placed with its axis 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field. Magnitude of magnetic field is 0.25 Tesla. Torque experienced is 4.5 10 to the power minus 2 joule. Now you have to calculate what is the magnitude of magnetic moment of the magnet. So it is clear to you what you have to use. The tau equals to mv sin theta will be used here. You have to find m, that is magnetic moment of the magnet. Tau is given 4.5 10 to the power minus 2 joule. Angle is theta, so sin 30 degree will be 1 by 2, and magnetic field is of magnitude 0.25 Tesla. When we replace these values in this relation, we will get this relation, and this relation when we reduce, we will get m equals to 0.36 joule per Tesla. It is very easy to solve. Now move to next problem. In this problem, there is a short bar magnet of magnetic moment 0.3 joule per Tesla is placed in any uniform magnetic field of 0.15 Tesla. If the bar magnet is free to rotate in the plane of the field, so which orientation would correspond to stable and which orientation correspond to unstable state? And what is the potential energy of the magnet in each case? Now it is clear to you which is the unstable state and which is the stable state. We have discussed in the chapter that whenever magnetic field is parallel to magnetic moment, both are parallel here, then that state is stable state. Stable. And when magnetic field is anti-parallel to magnetic moment, then that state is unstable. So first part has been solved. Now move to next part, potential energy part. We know that in stable state, potential energy is U equals to minus mb. M is given here, B is given here. If we substitute these two values, this relation will reduce to minus 0.48 joule. Again, for unstable state, potential energy will be positive mb, and thus this relation will reduce to positive 0.048 joule. So the third topic can be used in this way. Thank you.